How to make an account on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can make an account on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making an account on Spotify is very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Spotify application here, and once you launch the Spotify app, you will basically see this type of interface. Now from here, what you need to do is you'll basically go ahead and see all this, where you can see sign up, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or login button. So you can just tap the sign up option here. Once you tap on the sign up button, you'll find the what's your email address button. So what you can do is just go ahead and then make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use over here. Once you make sure to enter the email address that you would like to use, you can just go ahead and then tap on the next option here, and as you tap the next option, you'll be able to create a password, and once done, your Spotify account will get successfully created. This way you can make a Spotify account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.